Electric mobility has reinvented the way we live and do business. To reduce transport's impact on the environment, ZJ Benny offers EV chargers for home and commercial use. AC EV charger for home, fully protection features. Easy to install, Type 2 connector, the most EV. Pure design, fully protection. Emergency, press the emergency stop button to switch off the current for safety. The DLB function maintains the dynamic balance of the loads used. Easy installation for dynamic load balancing charging. Securing the grid. Smart app, real-time monitoring, multiple function settings. PME protection against neutral failure. No earth rod required.